everyone. Today is day 36 and we have $8,874.15 in our portfolio. So we really did not move today. We didn't move. Now you may see it's lower than it was yesterday because I had taken some money out of the account. I withdrew some. But today I didn't really see much of anything to get into. I had, I think, around 5,500 buying power the day before, and like I rationed out like 200 today, $200, and put them in like little places that can reduce the average cost, like APTC, BMNU, MSTU. But for the most part, nothing's been going on today with the stock market. And I also didn't want to get into any heavy leverage position or anything before next week, because it's Friday. I'm not trying to do too much, you know what I'm saying? But I'm here. I'm just looking at these stocks, looking at BMNR, looking at Big Bear AI. I'm looking at all these. I have alerts on all of them when they hit the prices that I like. Will they hit them? I have no clue. Will the market crash and go down further than it is now? I have no clue, guys. Or will it continue? Because we are in a bullish cycle, but will it continue to go up? Or will we go down? I could not say. I can't say, guys. I cannot say. I'd hope so that things would go down a little bit further to the points that I like them. But then how far down will it go? No clue. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I think it will go down to like 100,000, to be honest, because it's like it's climbing its way back up. But a lot of the time, things will like when things drop, they drop so viciously, because like everyone gets in it. It's like, okay, now I gotta get my investment out of this. So that is kind of what I'm looking for, like those reactions. Like, I don't think Bitcoin is going to sustain its 107 levels and things like that. And if it does continue to climb higher back to its 126, then so be it, fine. I won't even try and chasing the high and invest because of that. You know what I'm saying? But like at a certain point, I think the market is due for a correction. It's due for a correction. And it's in the process of doing it. Like this whole week, it's been slow, like based off of the news that Trump gave us last Friday. And it made its way down a little bit by a little bit. But who knows exactly when this market will it continue to crash? Will it is it just waiting for a little bit of bad news to just tank everything? What's gonna happen? Is Trump and Xi gonna be like, hey, like this is a tariff war again? Like, what's gonna happen? Don't know. But when it's consolidating like this, like look at my portfolio. This is probably the least it's moved. It's up 93 cents on today. Like this is the least it's moved ever, probably. You know what I'm saying? Like it just stabilized itself, really. Like stocks didn't really go up, it didn't really go down, you know, like, so it's like, it's almost like a doji candle. It's uncertainty right now. It's trying to climb its way back up little by little, but like that's when, like from my observation, when stocks do that, they oftentimes get tanked down, like forcefully tanked down, because like you're not making up your mind if you want to go up or not. Like you're going up a little bit, but it's like you're not really dead set on going up all the way. So now we're just gonna have a vicious down cycle and then find a new support and then go up from there. But who knows? I don't know what is going to happen. I'm just looking. I hear there's like the Santa Claus rally, like stocks tend to go up near the end of the year. I heard that September is historically when it goes down, but that didn't happen in September. So it could have been carried into October. So are we past that point? I don't know. Are we past the point of stocks going down into a Santa Claus rally? I have no clue. But I will dollar cost average these stocks. And when I find them at levels that I really like, I'll potentially put long-term options on them. And that is all I know. That's all I can tell you guys. I'm really paying attention to this Bitcoin though. Like crypto in general, I'm really looking at it. Because this thing is like, it's being backed by so many big names, big companies, billionaires. Like, this thing is going to become something really, really big. It's already big, but it's really probably going to become almost like a new currency that is going to be used. So like, I'm really paying attention to even stocks like BMNR that have to do with Ethereum. You know, like XRP, all these different crypto coins and all of that, they have a place in this stock market now. They have a place. They're affecting stocks, literally. Like, it's crazy. You'll see a same pattern on a stock as there is in a crypto. It's like, how come? Because the events are tied together, even though they're not the same asset. Like a stock and crypto is two different assets, but the economy overall influences both. So sometimes one thing is an indicator of another thing. You'll see crypto crash, but like stocks will go up to the moon. Like, not really. Maybe before, yeah, but now it's like, because these big companies are so like there's literally companies that are based off of this blockchain technology, all of that. So I'm looking at it as an opportunity, and I'm trying to rub the account again, guys. If you're with me, I think we've been doing this for about a month. This is like the way the account has been looking. It's crazy, man. At once upon a time, this account had like 14,000, but now we're here. It's like, it's really, it gets really what's the word? Discouraging sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. I hate when I win a lot and then I lose so much to the point where it's like, it really negated all the wins I had. Like, it gets really annoying. So I feel like I'm just being really impatient. I just need to like have a long-term mindset now, because like I've been chasing after this like quick, like get this money quick, and also not have good risk management, and also like just making a decision too of like, where should I buy, how long should I hold it, how, like, what is the sentiment on this stock. Like, but I think a lot of that could have been avoided if I just had better risk management in the first place. When the stock went down 20%, I should have got out of the option instead of letting it kill all my gains. So now I'm paying the price for it, and it's like I'm restarting at ground zero. But I don't feel like it's ground zero, because I've been at this point a few times, and I always have the confidence that I'll go back up. And here's the thing. Seems like my performance is very in tune with the market. Like, when the market is up, I'm up. When it's down, I'm really down, and then I get back up. But I need to figure out, before the market goes down, how to get out and then wait on that down portion and then get in, so I'm not always on the losing side. I can be on both sides and still win. So, hey, I'm learning, guys. I hope you guys are here with me for the ride, because we learn together. But stay tuned, because we still gonna turn up. We're still gonna turn up. Don't even worry about it. I'm buying shares right now to keep things calm, because I still want to be invested in the market. I don't want to be, you know what I'm saying? We're not quitting this thing. This thing is lifelong. This is actually a lifelong skill that we're learning. Like, it's a generational skill that we're learning. But I just know there's that breakthrough point. Like, when I can see I can get a certain amount of money in this account, that's gonna it's gonna open a few more doors. When it's past the 10,000 and then into the 15 and then into the 20, I can see it opening more doors. And also the experience that I'll get as well is, I think it's just the beginning. All right. But with that, I'm gonna say have a good one, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Remember what you're doing this for. It's okay if you feel discouraged. It's okay if you lose, as long as you get back up again. Because I won't even lie to you, I feel defeated. Not even with just this, but with so many other things in life. Like, but you always shine again. You always smile again. The sun rises again. Always remember that. You feel like you can't make it. You feel like this is the worst thing that could happen to you in your life. But when you think that way, just know that you'll still survive. You'll still live, and that you'll still see another day. And that one of these days ahead is going to be even better. The point of this life is not really to be happy all the time. So when you experience those lows and those down points, that's when you have to just remind yourself that life is like it's meant to be experienced. The highs and the lows. It's just an adventure. It's not really to make you a person who's happy all the time. Because also life would be boring if you was happy all the time. You never felt low sadness and depression, and just didn't have a challenge to just put your all into, to try. Like, you would not have very much fulfillment in this life if you didn't have all these adversities, so just think about everything this way. Whether you're investing, whether you're making a business, whether you're playing a sport, whether you're trying to get in shape, whatever it is, whether you're trying to get through school, just think about the adversity that, I'm not going to say you signed up for, but, well, your parents kind of signed you up for by being born. So, you'll get through it. Trust and believe when I say you'll get through it. And you'll be so happy that you went through it and that you got through it. Yes. Yeah. I think that's all I got to say. So with that, I'm going to say peace. Monday, we get right to it. Hopefully something interesting happens in the market. Whether we go up or we go down. Hopefully we can capitalize on both. If we're up, we're going to take it. If we're down, we're going to buy even more. All right, guys. With that, have a good one and peace.